Hey everyone, a remarkable mechanical keyboard. The MSI FORGE GK600 TKL achieves a remarkable harmony between design, functionality, and adaptability. It was created with the modern user in mind, whether they are a content creator, gamer, or someone who works long hours. It incorporates a lot of useful functionality into a small, tenkeyless form factor. The keyboard is perfect for those who move between their home and workplace regularly, or who prefer simple settings because MSI has made sure that it saves crucial desk space by eliminating the number pad. The build quality is outstanding from the beginning. The keyboard's shell is composed of premium matte finish plastic that is easy to clean and resists fingerprints in addition to feeling good under the fingers. Because they are made of sturdy PBT plastic, the keycaps themselves have a long-lasting resistance to fading and wear. The keys stay clear and readable with dye-sublimated legends, which enhances the typing experience both visually and tactilely. The RGB lighting system, which has up to 20 lighting modes, is a significant practical and aesthetic highlight. This is enhanced with a tiny 1.06 inches display included into the keyboard that provides important details like brightness setting, lighting mode, and battery status. It's a minor adjustment, but it helps you quickly keep track of the status of your keyboard. Smooth and silent linear mechanical switches that are perfect for people who value speed and accuracy over tactile input are hidden beneath the fashionable surface. However, the GK600's support for hot swappable switches is what really makes it stand out. You may choose whether you want clicky, tactile, or linear switches, so this keyboard can be used by almost anyone. Another area in which the FORGE GK600 shines is connectivity. Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a USB Type-C wired option are the three connectivity methods it offers. This enables users to quickly switch between devices or select the mode that best suits their setting, be it connected for latency-free gaming sessions or wireless for a clutter-free setup. The Wi-Fi modes are incredibly snappy, and even when you're typing commands quickly, every keystroke registers precisely thanks to NK rollover and anti-ghosting technology. Another huge win is battery life. For mobile users or those who just don't want to be hooked up to a charger every few days, the integrated 4,000 mAh battery provides up to 20 days of use without RGB illumination. USB-C is used for charging, and it takes about 6 hours to fully charge, a fair wait given the longer battery life. The keyboard is completely functional even when charging, so you don't have to stop working. The MSI FORGE GK600 TKL is more than just a keyboard. It's a versatile productivity and gaming partner thanks to its quiet, pleasant keystrokes, sophisticated design, and extensive function set. With its adjustable switches and adaptable connectivity, MSI clearly considered flexibility and durability while designing this keyboard, providing long-term value. This keyboard offers a smooth, cozy, and dependable experience that can easily compete with more costly options, whether you're working long hours or immersed in gaming marathons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.